has gone, Jubilee.
Yeah.
And you were saying there's no yellow wave. What do you mean by that?
With it didn't go with the Jubilee. With it went with those who stood on a Jubilee ticket. The party is still there, alive and kicking. Remember, the narrative of Jubilee is dead was the talk of the year, the whole of last year and part of this year's the early. We went into election. We had a whole period of campaigning, much shorter, of course, than our opponents. And I can tell you that when you talk of a wave, it's very difficult that everybody would miss to smell it, like I said. Even, you can't sniff it, you can't smell it, nothing. You just find yourself hit. That would be something new that is perhaps I'll learn from you what you can call it.
But you're saying
but the fact
wave,
that
you'll be able to predict that a wave is coming.
You could also tell that the wave is coming if it was there.
And you could
but
not
this is
smell
a
this
case
particular
where nobody, none of those of us who are learning at the Jubilee would tell of a wave. But occasionally you'll be assured by others that we are certain you will not make it. You will also not make it. Cherry picking, you will not make it. You will make it by a whisker. So it is something else other than a wave. And that's the most important thing. It is important to know that it wasn't a wave. This is something that
what
is...
do you call it if you don't want to call it a wave?
It is not a wave in the manner that, it comes and sweeps you. But it is a nice scheme that was done, and it was worked on very nicely. A scheme that we were not able to put our fingers on early enough. We could tell that something is amiss a day before the elections. And some